channel. It's your girl Ishi again, and I'm here with another one of your favorite head wraps. So before I go any further, do show it some love and give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new, I welcome you with all my love. Do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you don't miss any of the other styles that I have for you guys. So show it some love. I mean, come on, it is nice, simple, sophisticated. Wear it with anything and you hit the road. And so yeah, today I'm here with like a turban head wrap, but it's plaited and it's going all the way down, and I'm going to show you how to do it in a minute. Before I get to the tutorial, I just want to say thank you so much guys for keeping in touch and for connecting with me, asking a lot that you need to know about me. So I'm just going to answer a couple of questions before I get to the tutorial, and I'm going to say again, keep them coming. It is nice to hear from you. Keep your pictures coming as well. They're really nice and I love having them. I love seeing them. So the first question that I'd like to answer today is, where am I from? Oh, I'm from Zimbabwe and I'm proudly Zimbabwean, and yes, I do speak my language. I speak Shona fluently and I'm learning Ndebele as well. So those are the two main languages in Zimbabwe. And just because you've all been really nice, I'm gonna leave you with my favorite word, my favorite Shona word. And the only reason for this is that because in English it's a 3-letter word, but in Shona it's 13 is a 13-letter word. And yeah, so by the end of this video you'll be able to see someone from Zimbabwe that speaks Shona, and you can politely ask them for a cup of tea. So obviously if you're asking for a cup of tea in English, you'll be like, may I please have a cup of tea? Nice, simple, tea, 3-letter word. But if you're gonna ask for it in Shona, you're gonna say ndokumbirawo tea. So ndokumbirawo is like a polite way of saying may I have. So tea is chutugadzike. So you're saying ndokumbirawo chutugadzike. So chutugadzike, that's how you say tea in Shona. Nice, isn't it? I love it. I love it. Every time when I was in school, when people say, can you teach us something from your language? I'll be there like, yes, I will teach you. And if you come back tomorrow knowing how to say that word again, do you know what? I'm going to teach you a different word. And I know they'll come back not remembering anything. And oh God, it's amazing. I love my language. So yeah, you guys get in touch. Let me know what your favorite word is. Let me know what's unique about your language. I'd love to hear from you. And do impress me. Try and pronounce this chutugadzike and send it to me. I'll see how you guys do it. But it's basically ndokumbirawo chutugadzike. Well, to be honest, it's not exactly like, they don't exactly use that word every day. They'll be there like ndokumbirawo tea. But just to impress and just to show off your Shona, say it to somebody that's from Zimbabwe that understands Shona, and they'll be very proud. I'm sure they'll happily make you that cup of tea. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm gonna now go on to the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it, and do leave feedback and let me know any other styles that you'd like me to demonstrate so that I can do videos for you.
So grab yourself a square head wrap and you're gonna fold it into triangle. The first step is covering your head from the back to the front, and then we're gonna make our knot. So we end up with 3 straps. Then we're going to start plaiting. Those who can braid are going to love this part. Show off your skills. And then once the third end is finished, you just want to leave it flat. You don't want to plait there because you want it to be smooth at the back when you take it in. It's all about comfort because you don't want it to be bumpy. You just want it flat and comfortable at the back. And if you feel like it's not secure, you could use a safety pin to put it in place, but mine is pretty secure. And there we go.
So that was the demo. I hope you enjoyed it. Try it and let me know what you think. So this is the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Hit the bell guys, I've got more styles coming for you, and give this video a thumbs up. So until next time.